Hello friends, and welcome to this new Sinosmart video. There is some really huge news. Sinosmart is the very first aftermarket unit that can use the original Nissan Qashqai's car microphone. So the quality should be as good as the original. So I still have the version before this upgrade, and as you can see I use the external microphone, and I have to say people do complain about the audio quality. Now all the new units come with the adapter to wire the aftermarket unit directly to the car's microphone. And good news as well, for those that have, as I have, a unit from before, you can also only order the adapter to modify your existing tablets. So now first let's do a test call. Let's go to Carplay.
So this is a test call from the original unit with the external microphone, and you can see that the audio quality is great.
So we're going to dismount the unit again. We did it several times right now, so really easy. So this is enough to release this clip over here. It is really easy, just pull it out. You can see sometimes you do lose some clips, but I will share in the video description where you can order these clips as well. Here we have the external microphone cable. I can unplug that one right now. The cable is connected right now. I can show this to you. I'm afraid as Sinosmart is the only one on the market that is able to provide this, and they want of course to keep this for themselves. But don't be afraid, they will share a clear instruction, and it is that easy. So now let's fire it up, do the last settings in the car itself, and now we do a test call. And we're going to make the test call to compare the sound quality.
So this is a second test with the new microphone. So this is a new test with the internal microphone of the Nissan Qashqai connected. So this is a test call from the original unit with the external microphone. So this is a new test with the original Nissan Qashqai internal microphone connected to the Sinosmart head unit.
I repeat myself, when you order this unit right now, it will come directly with the cable that connects the head unit to the internal microphone of the Nissan Qashqai. If you already have a head unit, as I had, you can order the cable separately, and they will send you the instructions afterwards by message. It is really easy. You just have to connect some cables to the right spot and it works directly. So if you like this tablet, please check out my links in the video description, and if you mention La Palmeraie, you will even get the DAB+ connector and the Fakra cables for free. If you just order the cable, just mention my name as well to help the channel. This way Sinosmart will know that you watch my videos, and it would be really helpful. Drop me a comment what you think about this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye bye.